What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And if you are in the East Coast, Maryland, DC, and all of that stuff, then we finally got snow on January 6th. Today is January 7th. I will try to get this out to you as soon as possible. But I bought these from Costco in September, you guys. And I was like, if it don't snow, I can't do no review. So now it snowed, and this is the perfect time to do a review. Now we have these cool little, I guess it's anti-slip for the snow. It's called Snow Track, all right? And the shoes that I wear is usually these, I usually have these Adidas, I think they call trax on or whatever. These are the only shoes I wear anyway. Bought these from Costco as well for $30. I see that these are on Amazon for like $100 or something like that. So definitely can't wait till these come back to Costco. So I need to buy me another pair. I bought them for $30. And on Amazon, they're like $100. But if y'all see any more like track shoes like this or these type of shoes, y'all let me know what site y'all get them from, because these are the only type of shoes I like, and they're very comfortable. But anyways, blah, blah, blah. Let's go ahead and get into this. All right. And excuse to ash your hands, you guys. I'm going to be outside anyway, shoveling snow. So this one is, what is it? Large, extra large. So I am a size 11 and fits perfectly. Wrap it around. And that's about it with that. I'll let y'all know how it is once I go outside. There we go. Held in by Velcro. Now it's time to go shovel some snow and check it out. Welcome to Maryland, you guys. It is snowing. We got snow in January this time. So let's go ahead and check out the boots. Well, the add-ons. So we have them on. They do kind of feel weird, but I feel secure when I'm walking. I'm trying to see if I can find any ice. Some ice right here, but I am definitely not slipping. A lot of stuff is melting, but there is some stuff that's still icy. Nope, that's sludge. Nope, sorry you guys, no ice. I might come back out tonight and then let y'all know if I slip.